Oh, I had a third one, dude. That'd have been 3 casts in a row.
This trip started out really rough. We tried getting bait, we couldn't find any. However, my buddy Joe did manage to catch a really nice trout.
Nice, dude. That's a good one.
That is a nice trout. Get a picture of that one.
We tried fishing some deeper flats, we tried mangroves, and even a few channel markers. It wasn't until the end of the day on the last flat that we got on a hot bite.
Throw these jerk shads like this up there on that flat top and whack the trout like you caught this morning all fucking day long.
Yeah. Oh, of course.
What happened?
Oh, I just got whacked, but it was like right there at the boat. I think it was a puffer fish. He took part of the tail.
I guarantee you, I only got half on here now. I got smoking points. Right here, but I can put
that. There's one. I felt him eat it that time. That's a nice one. He's not great.
No.
Yes, sir. Oh, and yeah, there he goes. Still got my jerk shad too.
Yeah, like a piece like this is what I caught that cobia on during the scallop season. I was just sitting, I was out here by myself and was just drifting towards them, like going the opposite way.
This is little. This is absolutely tiny.
All right, 2 casts in a row.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a real little guy.
Not a bad little guy though. Woo! See you later.
Is that one working better than the chartreuse, you think?
I think the white's working way better than the chartreuse.
Like you want to just find these little potholes and shit that are out here, and that's where the fish are going to be sitting.
Oh, oh, I had a third one, dude. That'd have been 3 casts in a row.
No, trout. Hopefully she'll eat it.
I can't just like leave it though.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. There we. Oh yeah, I saw him chasing it. Hey, no, come here. Calm down, guy. Poor man's tarpon. Good bait fish.
Really, were you tossing a bag of them things?
Oh, I just got absolutely crunched. It was just sitting still. This jerk shad doesn't have that much life left in it. There you go. There's a fish. This is a better one. That's a fish. There we go. Oh, felt bad for him. There's one right here in front of me. I just saw him flash. I could literally sit out here all day and do this.
What, trouting?
Yeah, well, I mean, you never know what you're gonna get on these flats, because there could be a snook cruising these flats and you could just smoke one real quick.
master. That's a ladyfish there.
It was. I love when they jump out like that.
That guy didn't jump out, you fucking ripped him out.
No. He jumped. He jumped.
That guy did not jump out of the water.
No, I don't.
His ass out of the water.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All in all, even though the trip started off really slow, we adapted to the situation and still managed to catch some fish. It just goes to show that if you put in the work, it will eventually pay off.